Hi guys, so I'm finally back from the vacation and it was amazing, but my tired skin and hair need some serious care. So today I'm taking you through my ultimate post vacation glow up routine to feel fresh, polished and back to my best self. Okay, first thing first, fresh clean underarms. I started by using this epilator for my underarms because it pulls the hair from the root, leaving skin softer for longer compared to shaving. It can feel a bit pricky at first, but trust me, once you get used to it, there is no going back. Plus, it reduces the chances of ingrown hairs also. Now my hair is also been so dry and frizzy lately, so I decided to apply the Dove hair mask generously from mid-length to ends. This mask is super creamy, smells amazing and deeply nourishes my hair. While my hair is soaking up all the goodness, I make sure to take care of my skin from inside too. Next, I apply the Foxtale Radiance mask on my hands and underarms. Previously, I used to apply this mask on my face, but I don't know what happened that it started irritating my skin, so now I'm using it on my body. Vacations always leaves my hands and underarms a few shades darker, and this mask helps fade tan and leaves my skin feeling even toned and fresh. I usually keep it for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Now time for my favorite relaxing step, a good oil body massaging. I'm using this Johnson's baby oil because it's super light and leaves my skin soft and nourished. I take my time to massage, this boosts the circulation and just feels so soothing. Right after the massage, I dry brush my body and I always do this in an upward circular motion. This helps to exfoliate the dead skin and stimulate blood flow. Trust me, your skin will feel baby softer after this combo. Onto my shower, I always start by washing my hair first. I double cleanse my hair first with an intense moisture shampoo to hydrate and really cleanse without stripping the moisture because of course I have low porosity hair. Then using my favorite Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo to strengthen and repair. For mask, I'm using this Redken Extreme Strength Builder Hair Mask. This mask is a lifesaver for repairing any damage from sun and styling, plus it leaves my hair super soft. To lock in shine and smoothness, I finish my hair wash with this Tresemme Lamellar Gloss Conditioner. My hair always feels salon-like smooth after this routine. Now onto my body, first I use the Dove Green Bar Soap. It is so gentle and never strips my skin's natural oil. And sometimes I also use this on my face. Then I use the Dove Exfoliate Away Body Wash for that extra scrubbing action. Removes dead skins and leaves my whole body feeling super fresh and silky. Once I'm out for the shower, for my hair I apply the Redken Acidic Morning Leave-In Conditioner and mix in a few drops of Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil for that added shine and softness. This combo makes my hair so soft and manageable, keep frizz away, and then I let my hair air dry naturally. For skincare, I'm using this Novology Pigmentation Reduction Bi-Phasic Serum. It targets pigmentation, dark spots and tanning, which I've got during the vacation and helped even out my complexion beautifully. Then I follow it up with the Garnier Super UV Sunscreen. Even if I'm chilling at home, SPF is a must to maintain all this glow. Now I'm gonna quickly do my everyday minimal makeup look. So that was it. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends.